Hey y'all, how you doing today? It's a nice day today. Sun's shining right over there behind the trees. I wanted a banjo strap for my banjo and I didn't have one. I had an old pair of blue jeans that I've been wearing a lot and they were pretty dirty. Somebody actually commented the other day. They said, "Oh, look at them nasty jeans you're wearing." There's on a YouTube video, and I thought, yeah, they are pretty nasty. I've been wearing them things for the last 20, 30 years, you know. So anyway, I was wishing I had me a strap, so I took a pair of scissors to that pair of jeans, and I cut the little side stitch thing out all the way up to where the belt loop was, and then I ran it back through the belt loop and underneath one of these things. I did the same thing down here, and I tied them together back here in the back and made myself a banjo thing, which I wanted. I wanted me a banjo thing. I wanted to have my banjo sit kind of high because I don't like to reach up here. I was thinking if I get the right angle on it, I might even be in Charlie's got his blankie here. I don't know if you can see Charlie and his blankie, but he's got his blankie and I got my banjo, and we're just doing the best we can with what we got to work with. Anyway, y'all been also very nice to me lately. I put a few things up on the YouTube and got some nice comments, which surprised me because I generally expect people aren't going to appreciate the way I play because I don't play right. But I thought I would, and one of you, you know who you are, said something about you'd never heard that song and you will need to play it again. So this is "Will the Circle Be Unbroken by and by, Lord." The way the song goes, I can't tell you all the words, but it says, "Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by. There's a better day awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky." And it's got a line about a caisson, which is an old-fashioned, back before they had ambulances, they had a caisson. They'd put a coffin in a caisson. It'd be drawn by horses, you know, and something about the caisson being drawn in there. And he says something like, "Undertaker, don't you take her, please don't take my mom away." If I had enough smartness to have learned them lyrics, I could sing the verse, but I won't. But I can play it a little bit, so I'll just do that. It starts just like that. It starts right there. Will the circle be unbroken? She made some pretty good biscuits, and I'll miss them every day. I'll see what I did there. I just made that part up. Hey, honey baby. Hi. Say hi to the tubers. You can walk past.
Well, I'm gonna. I'm going past.
You know, it's just high tech studio recording here. I started to talk about you know, banjo players are a little bit famous for getting this dazed look on their faces when they play, like their brain has just shifted to the back of their head. And I think that does happen when you get to playing pretty good. Your thought process just sort of disappears. I always thought banjo playing was a really good way to meditate, you know, because you can work yourself right into a banjo trance and sometimes the best playing I do is the most mindless playing I do. And I started to say I was going to talk about that, but then Honey Baby came through. Now she's coming back, so she's going to say hi again.
Hi.
And then we'll do some mindless banjo picking. Song right there. Sometimes I just throw that in there because that's part of that chord right there is 3 different songs that can take off from that chord. One is House of the Rising Sun, and the other one is Lady Gay, which is a really interesting old song from way back then about dead babies and stuff. And then there's that other one about I am a man of constant sorrow. Does that go that way? No, it's not that song. It's that other song about no, they're all about going to heaven, not going to heaven. They're all about that one way or another. If you wanted to do House of the Rising Sun with that, you'd do. This up. It's That's enough of that nonsense. But you see where I was going with that? No, not really. So what that other song? What's that other song? It's not I. Song right there is called Lady Gay, and it goes, there was a lady. I'm singing badly.
Huh?
I'm singing badly.
No,
I ain't
never.
got no videos made, so I'm just gonna sing badly and then put that up on YouTube.
Sing
Pretty much.
badly.
Oh, I sing badly all the time.
No, you don't.
I won't argue with that.
No, I sing badly.
No, you don't.
Not compared to me. You sing great. Where did Daisy do go?
She was right here till I started playing the banjo, and then she ran away. I can't imagine why. This song says, there was a lady, and the lady was was gay.
I got a treat for you.
When that song was written, gay didn't mean what gay means today. So let's just clear that up right here. I think that meant she was happy. And children, she had 3. She sent them away.
It's gonna go off somewhere. Yes, go
There
off in
she
the woods
goes.
with that.
Oh, hey, what she got?
Ham bone.
A ham bone.
Ham bone.
Oh, yeah. You're going to be eating her ham bone.
Huh?
Yeah, should be liking that.
Yeah.
She sent them away to the North Country. By the way, the North Country is always considered a bad place to go. I had a preacher preach one time, and he said anytime you're going north, you're going in the wrong direction and it's bad. So literally, if you live in the South, preachers will teach you that sin and degradation and all manner of misfortune takes place if you go to the north. And even this song says that. It says, there was a lady, and a lady was gay, and children, she had 3. She sent them away to the North Country to learn their grammar. It wasn't very long at all that those babies, they up and died. Anyway, you know, some of those old songs are pretty awful, and some of my singing is pretty awful, but that's a cool song. If you ever want to hear something like you never heard before, look up Buell Casey. It's spelled B-U-E-L-L, maybe it's one L, B-E-U-L, Casey, K-A-Z-E-E. Just look up Buell Casey and him playing Lady Gay. That's a cool song. Anyway, that's how that song goes. And it also starts with that same weird chord, which is some kind of flat something. You know, I don't know notes and chords and things, but it's that chord right there. And there's another one that starts that way. Oh, what is it? It's a song you'd like if I could remember it, but I can't. That's just as well. Honey Baby's taking down the Christmas decorations. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute.
What about next year?
And that's the start of Starry, Starry Night. Copyright on that, so I actually can't play that song. By the way, I did meet Don McLean, who wrote that song, once. I was invited to a party at his house, and of course back then I was such an ignorant little redneck boy that I didn't know anything, and it was the most amazing thing to me back at that time. Yeah, but anyway, there's that. Okay, let's play something else. Okay, so that was Do Lord, and then I went into I took Jesus as my Savior, you take him to. No, that was Do Lord, and the other one was oh, I can't remember. But I can't think and play at the same time. Charlie's happy. He's sitting here beside me. He's got his little blankie. And Daisy's out there with a ham bone, and oh, she's ecstatic. I don't see her, but I know she's out there somewhere.
Yeah.
Out there with her little ham bone.
Yep.
Yes, she is. She's a happy baby. The sun's going down right over there behind the trees. Oh, it's just beautiful here. Honey Baby ordered us up this new little couch rocker chair glider thing, and it's fine. It's mighty fine. Mm-hmm. Life is good here. So this is the Mike Ramsey banjo, and I like it. I think it's becoming my new favorite banjo. Oh, I almost forgot. We got a I got Luke Palioka, who's a YouTuber. He is also the owner and originator of Lead Sled Arts. He draws pictures of cars, boats, airplanes, tractors, trucks, anything anybody wants him to draw on commission.
He's an amazing artist of all things.
He's an amazing artist of all things. He's actually doing a picture of the rat rod that we shot the picture while he was in Maine with me, and we stopped at Beth's Market, and I took a picture of him sitting in the rat rod, and I asked him to draw that picture for me. So he's working on that now. But he sent me an original Luke Palioka Lead Sled Arts calendar today, so I got it out there in the garage. I did a video the other day, and I was talking about all the tubers, and I said I'm not going to name them all because I would obviously leave them out. And then now lately I've got some new people that like to hang out with me because they saw that video where I got stuck in the flood, you know, and one only farmer rescued me. And a lot of new folks are showing up, and they're going back and listening to a lot of my old stuff, which is kind of nice to have people listening to that old stuff, and they're making comments and making friends, and they're not yet accustomed to my oddities and strange ways. So you know, some new folks that are in the process of getting used to who I am and how I act and all. But yeah, a lot of good things happening here. And we are down here in Georgia, where 2 days after Christmas I can sit out on the porch with no socks on and enjoy the sunset. Me and Bill was just talking about today about how nice it is here right now. How lucky we are, honey baby. That might be a good place to stop. So I got in the shower with my hearing aids on a while ago and got them wet. Now they're not working, so I got them in there marinating in a bag of rice. I guess I'll go get them and put them in, and then maybe I can hear myself play. So y'all have a nice day, whatever else you do, and if you're not having fun, just get over it. Just get over it, okay? Y'all clear on that? Do I need to elaborate? Do I need to accentuate? Do I need to further speak on the matter, or y'all got your act together? Charlie, I'm gonna go get my hearing aids. I'll be right back. Oh, the joy.